If you're experiencing login issues on H2O.ai, follow these straightforward steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct username and password. Double check for any typos or case sensitivity in your login details. Step 2. Reset your password. Before starting recovery, use the H2O.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Sometimes cache data can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then restart the browser and attempt to log in again. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Certain browser extensions can interfere with the login process. Temporarily disable any extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, and try logging in again. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to H2O.ai support for assistance. Provide them with details about your issue, including any error messages you receive. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues on H2O.ai. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from the support team.